We are here, and Rekor Systems here gave me the old one too. So I talked about this stock about a week ago, made a video on it, told you guys, hey, keep an eye on this one because this stock has a classic buy low, sell high pattern, right? Loves to come down nice and cheap to around 60 to 80 cents, then has a nice big pump to 120 to 150, then sometimes goes as far as 250 and $3. So, unfortunately, guys, if you were in the Discord yesterday, I set a 1 cent stop loss. So, can you guess what happened? I bet some of you can guess. Yeah, so I bought, set a 1 cent stop loss. It came down and stopped me out. It came down and stopped me out real quick. And let me just show you what happened here. So I saw this and I'm like, well, if this breaks out above $1, it's going to go. It's going to go to 110, 120, and maybe even higher. So there's potential here for 20% plus return with with 1% risk. With 1%, we're risking 1% to make potentially 20% or more. So I was like, oh, okay, 1% stop loss. It's all good, right? But what ended up happening is I'm still laughing about it because it's like, oh man. Yeah, you can see right here. So I bought here on the MACD signal. And yeah, it came down. Yeah, it came down 3 cents. So it just stopped me out real quick, and then it moved to $1. So this is just a great example of. It's a great example of, number one, you set a stop loss that's a little too tight, and you get stopped out real quick, and then it runs. But number two, this is also a great example of. It's a great example of, let me just pull this up. Oops. It's a great example of what happens when you don't know a stock that well. I know Riot stock like the back of my hand. I know APLD stock, Nvidia stock. I know these stocks like the back of my hand. Whereas REKR stock, well, I don't really know it that well. I don't know how it likes to behave. And because I don't know how it likes to behave, well, I was like, okay, I think a 1 cent stop loss should be fine, right? That should be good. That should be enough. But no, I was wrong. It's not enough. I should have had a wider stop loss. So just a little lesson there, just to start off the stream. Just a little lesson that, like, when you don't know a stock that well, you might set too small of a stop, too wide of a stop, too big of a stop. You kind of have to go and learn how the stock likes to move and behave to be able to anticipate, like, oh, if it pulls back, it'll pull back maybe a few cents, and then you can jump in and set the proper stop loss. So yeah, it kind of sucks. I don't think I'm gonna jump in. Maybe we'll see, but yeah, if I jump in, I don't have to have a 3 to 5 cent stop loss. Now I'm not gonna set a 1 cent stop loss. So there you go. Just a great explainer there. Let me just go. The market just opened. Now I'm over here yapping. Yeah, the market just opened. So HGRAF. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna jump into. If anything, you want to short anything that's being talked about by Wall Street bets. If it's already up 100% from yesterday, you're better off buying REKR Systems while it's at the low. Stop buying that crypto shade. Shout out to Ray Mistani. And shout out to Big Daddy and Still Time Cheese. Alright, Shades, appreciate the stream as always. Can you check out ONDS and HIMS, Shades? Actually, we're going to talk about ONDS and HIMS. But yeah, I just want to finish up on REKR here. Yeah, so that's the mistake I made. I bought REKR too tight of a stop loss. I was a little too concerned about maybe it drops overnight or something, and I got stopped out. So, if you ever get hit with the classic, if this ever happens to you where you buy a stock and then it takes you out of the trade and then it runs, Don't worry, it happens to everyone. Like, I don't know this stock like the back of my hand. I was not expecting it to drop a quick 3 cents. It's almost like it did it on purpose. Just quick 3 cents to take shades out of the trade, and then we start moving up. Anyways, if REKR Systems comes down, look to buy the dip at around 80s. That's where it has some support here. And, set a tight stop or a loose stop. It's all on you how you want to set the stop loss. Trailing stop, there's all kind. I don't think I've ever talked about stops. But yeah, anyways, just wanted to start off by just showing you guys, hey, look, I make mistakes. I can't be perfect. I wish I could have, I wish I had gotten in sooner. I wish I had not set such a tight stop. But yeah, this one, the reason I talk about this one, REKR here, is it is going to be presenting, I think, at the GTC conference. It's got a spot there. So is SoundHound. So the big bet is that REKR Systems, along with SoundHound and many other AI stocks that are going to be at that presentation, at that conference, exhibition, whatever word you want to use, it's going to get a nice pump. Well, it's already starting to move, right? So I think it still has some more juice in it. It's breaking out. So if you want to jump in with a stop loss at 99 cents, I would not blame you. That's what I would look for here because it's got plenty of upside. And I'll leave it at that. I'll end it there in terms of just talking about REKR.